Let's have a look at this straight sword. Now, proper name Jen, don't worry about these. Like a lot of these things, we try to avoid using too many technical terms or particularly sort of Chinese words that you may or may not be familiar with. It doesn't really help. It's a sword and it's straight. It's sharp on both sides. This is more a gentleman's dueling sword. This is much more about one-to-one. It is much more, it's a bit like fencing in that it's much more to do with going straight and back. So what do you need to know about it? The best way to use a straight sword is straight. Put it simply, the shortest route between A and B is a straight line. So when you can possibly thrust, a thrust is the best thing to do. There are times when you might want to cut with a big arc, but principally this is about deflecting rather than big blocks, and it's about straight thrusts rather than big hacking strikes with a heavy sword. That's what you need to know.